to Saving History. I'm SC Digger. We've been putting up metal detecting videos on YouTube since 2006. This month we surpassed 10,000 subscribers. To celebrate this milestone, along with the generosity of Teknetics metal detectors, we're giving away not one, but two great Teknetics metal detectors. The first prize is going to be a Teknetics Classic Green T2.
Hey everybody, DK here with Adventures in Dirt, and guess what? I just got the news over text. I was in the middle of a grocery store and I got the text news that I won SC Digger's giveaway contest.
From Saving History, I'm SC Digger, and yep, it's that time. We're going to announce the winners of our Saving History 10,000 subscriber Teknetics metal detector giveaway. Using software that randomly picked from our more than 700 entries to the contest, we've drawn two names. Now, we've cross-checked both of these winners to make sure that they are subscribed to both the Teknetics YouTube channel and the Saving History YouTube channel, and they checked out, and now we have two winners. Now, the winner of the Teknetics T2 Classic goes to Adventures in Dirt.
Woohoo!
Adventures in Dirt. You need to also respond to my email address in the description below. Send me your contact information, and we'll square everything away.
How amazing is that? Woohoo! Teknetics T2 Classic, baby. Lucky me, boy, that was incredible. Great giveaway, and we really appreciate it. We'll definitely put it to some good use. Hey, look forward to my email. I'll be sending it to you real soon. Now I gotta get home and check it out and see for myself, or somebody just pulling my leg. April 1st? No, we're into May. See you soon. So everybody, look what came today. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, sir. Woohoo! The T2 Classic. How awesome. Very cool. SC Digger, thank you. Teknetics, you guys are the best. Thank you so much. I can't wait to put this thing together and this thing all set up, ready to go. Very cool. Read this first. No one reads this first. Just give me the detector. Very cool. Nice packaging. Ooh, it even smells new. Nice. Oh my gosh. That's so comfortable. Nice fit. Battery compartment back here, nice adjustable cuff. I like that. I like that it's got the turn knobs on there instead of screws. For quick adjustment, that's pretty cool. Or for ease of adjustment, on and off switch, headphone jack. It's a nice, there's my switch up front for ground balance and pinpoint. Very cool. Very cool. Washers for the rod, the lower rod. User manual. Cool. coil screw. Nice 11-inch double D coil right here. Nice. Very nice. Oh, I'm so excited. This is the upper rod right here. Go in that part. Made out of metal. And the lower rod here, the washers go onto that, which attaches to the coil. Very nice. The Teknetics T2 Classic. Very cool. Let's get this bad boy set up. Alright, so I just pulled it out of the hole. Seems to be a penny. Yeah. Definitely another wheat cent. $1952 wheat penny. All right, Teknetics T2 Classic. Way to go.